In something of a news flash, we've got the very latest additions to the Hartland G2 range of screwless accessories from Hamilton to share with you here. As we saw in the previous video on this range, one of the key components to this was the grid switch accessories, and we saw the examples of the 4-gang grid switches. Well, now Hamilton have sent us their latest 6 and 9-gang grid switches to have a quick additional look at. Obviously, this would be great in a kitchen, say, where you want to have all the 20 amp double pole switches for appliances in one place, along with light switches and other controls. Both these examples have the matte black finish on the grid plate. The 9-gang grid here has black switches for a really subtle, discreet look, and the addition of the 20 amp double pole switch with the oven marking that you can see here, and another one with this fan symbol on, which we didn't see in the original video. There's also a vast array of other printed modules available from Hamilton, including fridge freezer, fridge, oven, washing machine, wine cooler, and you can even get bespoke ones made for project options. Now, the 6-gang grid switch has these lovely chrome effect switches which look great against the matte black grid plate. I also mentioned in the original video that Hamilton have a huge range of inserts for their grid systems, and this really highlights the variety of the range. There's just some standard 13 amp fuse holders along the bottom here that could also be wired in conjunction with a switch, but they've got these different coloured surrounds around each one, and actually they're all illuminated when powered up. So if we just turn that on, we can see there, don't they just look absolutely fantastic? So not only can you pick the colour of the front plate, you can pick the colour of the switch inserts and even the neon surrounds around those as well. There's an additional nice feature we can see on the back of here as well, which is that Hamilton have added a 2-way switch rated at 20 amps rather than the usual 10 amps. I can see that coming in helpful for a range of applications. So there you go. Here at eFIXX, we continue to bring you the very latest news from manufacturers and their fantastic products. Thank you very much for watching.